Hi guys, in today's video we'll be discussing about how to create realistic AI influencers वो भी बिल्कुल free में and within 5 minutes. So let's get started with today's video. So your first step would be to go to Pinterest and search for female portrait. Okay, just go ahead and press enter and you will get a lot of portraits over here to choose from. You can go ahead and you can choose whichever portrait you like. For example, I'm going ahead with this portrait for now. सबसे पहले we need to download this image. So we'll download this image and then we'll go ahead to Google Gemini. Your step two would be to drag and drop the image that you just downloaded into Google Gemini Pro and make sure to choose the Pro model over here and tools में जाके turn on the create image option and then copy paste this prompt exactly as it is. You will find this prompt in the description, so make sure to check out that. Okay, it will take a while and it will create an image for you. Okay, it will create a new image, a new AI influencer image for you. So as you can see over here, it has created a new AI influencer image for us. Now just go ahead and download it. It will take a while to download, and after that we are good to go to use this image. Come to Pinterest and search for female reels. On the basis of that, you'll get a lot of female reels over here. You can choose any reel that you want to. I'll be going ahead with this reel. So सबसे पहले हम लोगों को इसकी link copy करना है. Your next step would be to come to this tool. You'll get the link of this tool in the description. Come and paste this link over here and click on download. It will fetch the video for you. Now you need to download this video and you need to go to video frame extractor. यहाँ पे जाके you need to drag and drop this video over here. Basically, इस वीडियो का इस रील का सबसे फर्स्ट फ्रेम we'll be extracting so that we can exactly clone this entire video. Okay, you'll get this image over here, download this image. Your next step would be to place both the images over here. सबसे पहले frame वाली image which you just extracted from the video and second image would be जो तुम लोगों की AI influencer की image है. Then copy paste this prompt exactly as it is. Choose Pro model over here, click on create image and just click on enter. As you can see over here, the first frame of our reference video has been generated and this is the AI influencer first frame that we are having. So we'll be using this and generating the video out of the reference video that we have downloaded. Our next step would be to generate the video. So you'll get the link of this free tool in the description. Make sure to check that out. So first of all, click on remove all to remove all the things that are present over here. We'll first upload our video over here and we'll upload an image of AI influencer that we have generated. Okay, so let's drag and drop our video in this section and let's drag and drop our AI influencer image, the first frame that we have generated of that AI influencer and over here. So here we have basically inserted our reference video that we need to clone. And this is the image that we have uploaded of our AI influencer. Make sure to remove this prompt that is mentioned over here. नहीं तो यहाँ पे mistakes हो सकती है. Okay. Now we are good to go. There would be no mistakes if you guys have kept it as it is, as I'm explaining it to you. And make sure to give it on 720p. That is more than enough. Just click on try and it will go ahead and it will generate the video for you over here. So here's the output that you'll be getting from the free AI tool that you're having. However, there's another way to generate the video in more realistic way. So you can use Higgsfield AI for that. And that just go ahead and drop your first image, the AI influencer image, and beside it you need to drop the video, the reference video that we'll be using to generate the reel, and just go ahead and click on create. It will use some credits. It comes under a paid plan, but sometimes it even offers some free trials, so make sure to check out for that. And if you want discounts, you can check the description for coupon code links as well. And you can just go ahead and you can generate the video, and this is the result that you'd be getting after generating the video using Higgsfield AI.